just how dearly I would love to honk. But it's true, I'm a bird who seems to lack the knack. I'm just different from the rest, and you claim them wanting me to find another nest. But different isn't naughty, different isn't bad, so why should being different make me sad? I'm just different, they're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. But different isn't scary, difference is not threat. And though I'm still their brother, they forget I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like my grubby feathers, and I hate my stubby beak. There's runts in every litter, a black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you somehow, your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks may well be funny, but I hurt the same inside. Different isn't spiteful, different isn't wrong, so why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get along. Different could be swell. Different is just